Diba? Okay, so, he's actually working in the bank, registered from Land Bank, and he is a silver director. She is a silver director. Silver director actually, your son is earning a little, mga $1,000 in a week. Grabe ba? Okay, sa una, sa mura mong daman nun na, 43 mil, isa kasi mana. You know, pag ito na ko tinood, yan, tamo sa mga tanan. Okay, so this, ay grabe, no? Tanda no, tako yan na. Okay, with that much to say, 1,000,000! Okay, power naman. Okay, 1,000,000! 2,000,000! 2,000,000! 3,000,000 palakpan!
Grabe! Good morning, Davao! Actually, it is time. You're not registered. By the way, I'm more comfortable if you call me Dam. I'm Dama Morales. I used to work with Land Bank before. Okay, I used to be the executive assistant of Land Bank. I am a regular employee. No? Grabe, na-resign. Okay, I was invited to Luzon in 2010 and I know negative about it. Is that as mga first timers? And really negative about this? Okay? No? Okay lang yan. Negative din ako dati. Sobrang negative. Even though I was really a believer of network marketing. I started network marketing when I was 19 years old.
Ay, grabe.
No? I started doing it. No? Kitamanan ka ng obrero. Ginabaktas na ko na siya. Okay? No? Naka-Ateneo uniform. Kasi I used to really believer of network marketing. No? But then when I got into work, okay, I actually had several works na before I landed to Land Bank. Tapos kasi nag-land bank na ako, okay na ako dito. No? Okay na ako dito. So, huwag nyo na akong, kumbaga, kulitin sa mga ganitong negosyo. No? So, negative, 2010, 2011, my father-in-law got sick of cancer. And that time, kanagiging niya sa doctor na we have to look for alternative medicine. So, lahat na ng tao, nagkulit ako sa ako. No? Kaya katong first, ang nagkulit sa ako, assistant manager sa Metro Bank. On 2011, early part of 2011, ang nagkulit sa ako lahi na, friend na ako in high school. Okay? But of course, isugo lang dahil siya ni Coach A.P. Hano. Kasi Coach A.P. Hano, we've been really together since kindergarten. Kung sa negosyo ako, negosyo na ako, ihapong negosyo. Sa nga namin. But when it came to network marketing na, katungan Land Bank na ko, dili na ko, kay busy kaay ko. Grabe. Imagine Land Bank, 4-piece. Right? You know about it? No? Wala ba? There is a city na? Oy, sa real. Okay, nari sa Tabanda, basta. So, kato siya, no, to cut the story short, I have known that the mayor in Davao was using his other products. So, dito ko na curious. Okay, I got curious, but ako na ang nag-set of appointment. Nakipag-set of appointment. Kana galing pagtawagan ka like everyday, dam kita ta, dili ko favorite mo gusto karon. Ay nako ko sa bank. Ay na more na magkita ta kayo need this. Pero ano pa dili lagi until such time ianaan ko sa akong friend na ay busy kay ka ba mayaman ka na pala. Kana gani. So pato no nakipag-set ko sa appointment o wala sa story. Nakipag-set ko appointment. I was told na-convince ko na okay ang product, but it was too late for my father-in-law. No? For some of us here, siguro may ingunta na dili ko mo gamit anak kay wala pa man ko'y sakit. Pero ani lang ha, ani lang should ni. No? Kung magsakit na dahil ang tao, okay, mabaligya kung isa man ang pwedeng mabaligya. Right? No? Muna siya ang mali sa ato adili karon. Okay pa man ko until when ka okay. Tapos pag magsakit ka na, no, kung naka-acquire kag mga assets later on, no, pag magsakit na dahil ka, mabaligyan mo na siya, katong pag-ibigay na kanang baba pa sa pagpalitin sa iya. Life na eh. It happened to us. Okay? It happened to us. We started with a mag-invest kayong palpakog cellphone. Dili ko mag-invest kayong sauna lang. No, napakipalitan and all. Okay? So, ginadelay na to. Na-realize na ako, kung palit yung litag mga things for us to look good, kini pa kaha na okay sa to ang lawas.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Dito na open akong mind, especially katong dahil akong father-in-law, my 8-year-old boy that time, right? No, anak siya na I don't want to become 25 years old kasi by that time you'll get old and you will die. For parents here. Okay? You love your kids so much, right? No? Paano i-explain sa mga anak niyo kung nagkasakit kayo? Hindi naman kayo mag-suffer actually. Right? And we work so damn hard. Tama ba? For what? Para tayo magbayad sa hospital pag nagkasakit ka. No? And by that time, no, grabe, ang pagtrabaho na ko sa Yusana, grabe dito because, di ba grabe good ka-toxic ang job na ito, parang kapoy sir, right? Kapoy, no? Kapoy dito trabaho. So what I did that time, I just enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing Yusana. For some of us here, may sila, ay, resign na siya. Buntis siya kasi naka-resign na siya, kaya matutupan niya ang Yusana. But mind you guys, we started as part-timers. Right? We started as part-timers before we really resigned from our job. We started it as part-time. Okay? So, pagtrabaho namin sa Yusana, you have gone to Kidapawan. It's a very dark city. No? So, labas ako ng bangko, 6, 7, 8, no? Talagang most of the time, alas 8 yan ng gabi. Tinatrabaho namin sa Yusana 2 hours. Okay? 2 hours. After 5 months of doing it, I saw the value, I saw the goodness of it, no? By sharing it, some people would come to you, would cry, and would say, thank you for anything you've done. It was a good feeling. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. No, nakatulong tayo. No, hindi tayo nag-take ng advantage. Kasi kanina may nakausap lang ako, ay, mawala rin yan. Sabi ko, wow naman, hindi nila alam. No, hindi nila alam kung anong meron sa Luzana. So yun, pag ang motivation ko nung time na yun because kakapoy sa trabaho sa bangko. But of course, I don't despise land bank. And nakita na ko ang results sa ako. Imagine, grabe no, kanang, I used to have palpitation, I used to have back pain, severe back pains. Okay? Na asthma attack pala yun. No, kumbaga, because sa kabilisin na hindi ka pwedeng umabsent sa trabaho kasi pag mag-absent ka, sabi mo, sir, kailan ka nang leave tomorrow? Okay, you can leave forever. Okay? No? Grabe. Tapos yung time na yun, sige, nawala yun. Mama ko, dating supervisor sa DepEd, actually she just retired last year, no? And she's so healthy. For 2 years that she's been using the product, never na kami nag-rush na kami sa hospital kasi high blood po mama ko. May asthma din siya. So for 2 years that she's been into this kasi 2 years na rin po kami, never na yan na-experience. And it was a good news, no? After 3 weeks of taking the product, igawasan siya tapol-apol. You know that? Kind of dead na blood. Okay? So after that, she revealed that she could not feel na pala her legs for 20 years. No? Being me as the youngest and the youngest and the only girl, I'm really close to my mother. So it's really good news that I was able to give her the best supplement that she can have. And recently, she just had an executive checkup. Okay? You know what's the good news? No? Kasi may ischemic heart. Is that tama ba? Ischemia? No? So may siya, chinek up siya ng doc. Tapos, thorough checkup, executive checkup, was the director, no? Then, inalis na yung maintenance sa heart without the doctor knowing that she's taking this one. Is that good news?
Yes.
Okay? And she's 65, she has a total 65 years old. Diba? Everyone in the family is using it, and I really have a good news. Kaya ako ngayon, grabe. Natuto na akong nag-bisita ng office to office. Since that time na, kumbaga, yun ang pinakamatindi ko na testimony na talagang talagang tinanong ko si Coach Shalena about it. Uso ang dengue, right? Uso ang dengue. Tapos may nakapagsabi na Yusana ako. Tapos 7, 8 years old, nagka-dengue. Tapos meron pang isa na nasa ICU. Yung 7 to 8 years old. Sabi ko, we don't promise a cure, right?
Yes.
But our product is, like, boost immune system. Here you will know about that. So, sabi ko, ipatake niyo na. Tapos, pinatake niya. And the following day, labas yung dalawang bata. May isa na iwan sa ICU. 3 years old. Please listen to this. 3 years old. He was hopeless. The doctor gave up on him already. No, but I cannot give up wala siyang pulse kasi hindi na ma-detect because talagang magana ang katawan ng bata. And nasa ICU siya for several days. Okay, mura daw magbuang ang inahan. So I said, okay, I have few rest, please just give this to the mother. Tapos, let her take so she can rest. So whatever happens to the kid, she'll be able to prepare herself. Okay? So by that time, sabi ko, may biomega po ako, please by hook or by crook, pakipatake sa bata. No, I don't promise it pure kasi hindi na siya pare kasi pag ganyan niya pa, pwedeng matanggal. Okay? Yung lips niya. Kasi talagang ano na siya. So, having the heart of a mother, so sige, try mo to. Kung hindi niya mapatry, mabaho talaga ito. Biomega is really, patry niyo lang po. Malay natin maka-help. So that time, I was actually on my way to Tacorong. Wala na ako, ano kasi stranger. No, hindi pa kilala. So, on a Saturday, she woke me up, bumili ng isang bottle ng Biomega. And I have learned, what's the good news? Yung bata ko na 3-year-old na kid, nagpapagaling sa ward. Okay? So that's good. It's a good feeling to help people. Those people you don't really know. Okay, that's Susanna. Why did I resign? Because that time, imagine sa income na side. 5 months of doing it, ito lang in-enjoy. Sino ba ang part-timers na Susanna? Okay? No? Don't worry. No, just enjoy doing it. Kasi yun lang yung ginawa namin. In-enjoy ko lang. Yung parang tipong, pag wala ako sa bangko, Susanna. No? Pag nasa bangko ako, Susanna pa rin ako. No? Parang ganun lang. In-enjoy ko lang talaga every moment of it. No? That dumating sa point na yung income ko weekly sa Susanna by just doing it in several months, mas lumampas pa siya sa income ko sa land bank. After 6 months of doing it, whole year ko, twice na ng income ko sa Susanna, doing it part-time. After 6 months of doing it, we became silver directors with my husband. And my motivation that time was just to inspire people who are at work. Bakit? Ang hirap ng isa lang, ang trabaho. And like right now, Susanna is really a blessing. Kasi iniisip ko, kung hindi ako nag-resign, with the bills, sa lahat, target namin because when my father-in-law died, talagang bumagsak